quality of reading, I think probably comes in two parts. One is obviously the book has to be good with some new information, probably that you haven't discovered before. If you're learning something brand new for the first time, you're going to have a super high quality experience. At the same time, for me personally anyway, I don't like it to be too long. If there's if there's a great idea, I'd like to get the idea with just the right amount of length and not like an extra 100 pages of fluff on top of it. We've read plenty of books that are 350 page books that could have done the job in 180 pages. That said, we've read some books that are 600 page books that we wish were 800 page books because we got to the end and wanted to learn more. So it's definitely not, there's no fixed length of what a good book should be, but I think a good book should be as long as it needs to be and not too much longer. But then the second part of the equation is actually then doing something with that information. It feels great to read something brand new and learn something brand new, but it's even better if you can actually then put that into the real world, implement that into your life and do something about it.
Yeah, and then in our book, we try to take that and apply it to the readers, because a lot of people who go through our book and, not everyone's interested in marketing and philosophy and history. So a lot of the book might be redundant for someone for whatever part of their lives they find themselves in right now. So anyone who reads the book, we give them permission really to just read 10 out of the 32 lessons. And then we give you permission to go and mark it off on Goodreads and say you read this book. Because that way, if you're reducing the amount of time reading and you're getting the highest quality from it, you're going to get the most value out of the book, as opposed to just continue on reading a lot of stuff and a lot of fluff that's not going to be valuable for you.